Pinterest is a visual search engine for content more than a social network. A top-ranking pin can bring in consistent qualified traffic month after month. A pin is an image on Pinterest. It's basically a visual representation of an idea someone saves. People can find pins from either within Pinterest or even Google search engine. They visit the pin and then they visit the link in your pin. That's how you get traffic from pin. So what are the steps? Is to sign up for a business account on Pinterest. To really see an impact on pinning efforts, go ahead and sign up for a free Pinterest business account. When you sign up for a business account, you will have access to Pinterest Analytics. To create an account, go to business.pinterest.com and then fill in the details. Select your username, keep it relevant to your YouTube channel, and you can also have the same brand across Pinterest as well. Here I have used the same logo as the one I have in the YouTube channel. Also make sure to write a good description and include keywords in your profile description. Step 2 is to set up boards with keywords in mind. Boards are like categories. Pinterest boards showcase a collection of pins. So think of a few categories in your niche. For example, for this YouTube channel, I have the following boards. If you want to get traffic from Pinterest, you need to optimize the boards for keywords. You can get ideas for boards by typing keywords in the Pinterest search bar. Create catchy, engaging images. What makes Pinterest so alluring and addicting is the images. You can use Pinterest templates from Canva or even use a PowerPoint to create images. I use a mix of both. Make sure the image text is readable even on mobile. If you're wondering what size the pin should be, the current rule from Pinterest is that it's 600 by 900 pixels and it's a preferred size. This can also be referred to as 2:3 scale image. Step 4 is to pin your videos to the relevant board. Once you have your image created, then you can add it as a pin to your board. Here you add the image, add a good description telling someone what the pin is about. Then you add the URL of your video and select which board you want the pin to go. The same goes with the website URL as well. Step 5 is the most important step. Join a Pinterest group board related to your niche. Pinterest group boards are perfect for generating more traction to your videos. A group board is a community board where groups of Pinterest users can pin to a shared board. By joining a community board, you can quickly grow your follower base. It's the best Pinterest traffic strategy that I have come across so far. If you regularly pin to a group board, other people who follow the board will see your pins and might be interested in your Pinterest board. If they like what they see, they will follow you. So how do you find group boards? The easiest way is to search on Pin Groupie. Just search for a word. For example, let's take blogging and see which one that you want to join. I hope this video and tips above help you use Pinterest as a beginner, and I hope you get traffic from Pinterest to your YouTube videos.